What's that? Whoa, look at that. Gotta take a shower. You ready to take a shower? Let's go take a shower. Yes. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's not working. Did you just break it? No, aw. Naughty bird, you broke it. I'm trying to fix it. I think that should about do it. I think she really broke it. Nothing's coming out. Hold on, I might get this. There we go. There we go. She's gonna be a clean bird. You are. Ooh. You're so cute. You're so cute when you're taking your bath. Oh, look at her. She's so happy. It's very important you do this about every day, especially in the spring when all the feathers are coming through again. And they just love it. Gives you a happy bird. Happy birds make happy people. I think she's about... No, she wants more. She wants more. Ooh, so good. Oh, she loves it. Oh, yes. Make sure the water's not too cold or too hot. Nice room temperature water. She loves it. Yay, you're a happy bird. You're a happy bird. Are we about done? Are we about done? Yay! You want to come up? You want to make me wet? No? Oh, look at that. You're a clean bird. Oh, now I'm wet too. Woo! See, she's got a loose feather. She doesn't like it. But she's going to have to plug that one out herself. Right? Oh, you're such a happy bird. You want to go in the sun? Yeah, let's go in the sun and dry out. She hates towels, that's why we don't use a towel. But we've got a very, very, very nice sunny spot for her right here. She'll be drying just about 10 minutes. Oh, yes! So cute.